our obedience to God that flows from love is something that we can say, Lord, love jud ka nako. Muabot ka sa punto na dili na ka bata, kundili ni grow na ka in the Lord. Kay ang bata, muobey lang na siya, kay mahadlok siya sa consequences. Muhatag kog tithes, kay kundi ko muhatag, basig magsakit mi sa family. You're young in the Lord. Bata ka diha sa Ginoo. Pero kung mature ka in the Lord, Lord, muhatag ko even more than the 10th of my income because I love you. True worship, it is when you know that you love God. That's why you can truly worship Him. Makasala man ta. Kay layo pa man ta sa tinuod. Pero kanang wala yun mo gituyo nga nakasala ka. Nasipyat jud ka ba? You don't practice. Nasipyat ka, nagrepent ka, nasipyat ka, and it's a cycle, and you need prayer, you need deliverance, you need help, pero you're trying to get out from that. Amen? So, dili ingon na expected sa imo mahuli ka dayon, but expected sa atua is to learn to love God with all our heart. Meaning, passionate ka about worship. That you understand that everything you do it should be worship. Nahimaya bang Ginoo ani? When you deal with business, dili ka mag-under the table. Because you love God with all your heart. No, dili ko ana. That is not me anymore. Tanan nga kabalo ka nga dili makapahimuot sa Dios or dili worship sa Ginoo. You don't do that. Can I hear an amen? Loving God di ay is passionate jud ka in worship. Meaning nga na, Lord, sa tanan akong buhaton, it is worship to you. Makayaw-yaw man ka usahay, maka-complain man imong heart usahay, and then you go back, Lord, tabangi ko nga maka-recover ko ani. Tudlui ko nga ma-please ka. So, highest form of loving God is pleasing God.